Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint infographic design in just 3 minutes. You can download this free template from a link in the description below as well. So let's start. The first thing, you have to open up a blank slide and insert a text box in which you're gonna write 5 lines. So let me just choose some random lines and I'll remove the other spacing. Go to smarter option and more smarter option and click on the second option and click on this smarter shape. Next, you're gonna increase its size while holding control and then put it into the middle and the center of your slide. Now increase its size if you want and then reposition it. And what you're gonna do is press Control Shift plus G to ungroup these shapes. So we're gonna double press Control plus Shift, and then what we're gonna do is just increase the circle line and select all of the things and move them to the right side. Next, what we're gonna do is select all the text boxes and decrease their size and then give them other alignment and give them a letter spacing. Select all of them again and then go to shape format. You're gonna give them the fill of white. Yeah. Next, we're gonna give it this shadow. Let's change the shadow to this one. Next, what we're gonna do is change the text color to gray. For the outline, let's just give it the other color. And for the circles, let's give it the same of the shadow that we used before and change the shadow's color to gray. Select all of the circles again. Go to format shape. Now go to shadow and you have to change the shadow's color to gray. Yeah. Close the format background shape. Next, what you're going to do is just insert a text box for the title of your slide. And in it, we're going to write our text and which is going to be our title. Next, we're going to change its fill to gray. We're going to duplicate it and then just put it right below our first title. And here you go. We're going to move them apart. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab and we're gonna insert a 5 icon that we can use in these circles that are 5 as well. So I've selected the icons. Let's insert them, decrease their size, change their fill to gray and remove their outline. Now put them upwards and one by one put each one of them in each of the individual separate circle, but be sure to put them into the middle and the center of your circles, that they are positioned in the middle and the center. So here goes the fourth icon, and here goes the fifth one. Now change the font of your title. Be sure to use a bold font because for the title, we always want to see it clearly. Next, we're gonna give both of them some spacing and put them into the middle of our slide. So that's all we made in this video, and this is the final result. And if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. See you in another video soon.